Hey guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Google Ads attribution tracking with HighLevel. So if you're not already familiar with attribution tracking or UTM parameter tracking, it's just a technology that allows you to have more data, more insights about your leads that you're getting from different ad platforms. So Google Ads has attribution tracking. Facebook ads also has attribution tracking, basically UTM tracking. TikTok and other ad platforms have UTM tracking. So in this video, we'll just cover Google Ads, and just to let you, just to give you a bit more detail on this, I will show you an example that I have. So this, you can already say this is a contact page for on HighLevel, and this is some information we retrieved using attribution tracking from Google Ads. So we can say that this lead, we just had to click on, one of these icons for the lead, and it brought me this pop-up which has all the details that HighLevel retrieved from Google Ads using attribution tracking. So this is the URL, and obviously the source is paid search because it's Google, and the referrer is google.com, and then this is the ID, the click ID, device is mobile, and all these again are retrieved through attribution tracking. This is the creative ad group ID UTM term. So UTM term is this keyword. So it will tell you specifically what keyword brought this lead. So this is really valuable information. If you ask me, I want to know which keywords are bringing me leads, and which keywords are bringing me good leads that convert. So all these information are really important, like what device, what ad group, what ad, what keyword. You can customize your attribution tracking to know all these information. And now in this video, we will tell you about how to do exactly this kind of attribution tracking. So let's go back to our Google Ad account. We will use HighLevel landing page. So basically, the idea is we are doing a campaign on Google Ads. We are doing a Google Ads campaign, sending traffic to HighLevel. So a HighLevel landing page, sorry. So let's go to admin, account settings. And from here, you need to make sure auto tagging is on. And I mean, account settings, not campaign settings. So this is where it gets confusing. First of all, you need to go to admin and then account settings, check auto tagging is on, and then here this is called a tracking template. So I will put this template in this video's description, so you'll be just literally able to copy and paste it on your tracking settings in the account. So nothing to do there, just copy and paste it under your admin account settings tracking and make sure auto tagging is on. So that's all you need to do, nothing to test here, so just save it. Now we'll go to our campaign. So let's say we are running a campaign called Appointment Booking PPC Demo, and we'll go to campaigns. We will go to the campaign settings. So here, click on additional settings and then go to campaign URL options. Here under parameters, just type it like campaign name. So CAMPAIGN NAME. So this needs to be exactly like this, otherwise it won't match with the tracking template we installed on the account level. And then here, just put the campaign name, the actual campaign name. So what you need to do, if your campaign name has spaces, what I usually do is I just do google.com/my-demo-campaign using spaces. And when I do this, it gives me the non-space version, I call it. So this is the non-space version of my campaign name, and I'll just put it here. That's all I need to do. So this is the campaign name, right? And then I can just do a test. So I need to make sure that this says the status landing page found, because if it says landing page found, that means the tracking template works and the campaign name was accepted by Google in the attribution tracking. So that's all about attribution tracking. So if I hit save, and make sure conversion tracking is installed. So conversion tracking needs to be separately installed. I'm not going to cover that in this video. That's a separate topic, and I have already covered that in the past. Maybe I'll just link that video of me showing how to do conversion tracking in this video's description. So go ahead and watch that if you haven't already. So again, account settings, tracking template install, come to campaign settings. This is the campaign setting. And then here, just set the campaign name exactly how I showed you. That's all you need to do to achieve attribution tracking like this. And let me just show you how to get this window. So let's just go ahead and do a test. And because I'm just doing a test, it won't give me all these information because the lead actually has to come from Google. So you'll get all these information. So I'll just show you how to do a test, and then how to go to this, basically just go to this window so you can see all the information for the leads. So let me just do a test, and then I'll just do schedule. And this, because of my conversion tracking, this should count as a conversion on my Google Ads. And now I'll go to my high level contact page. So this is the contact we just received from the test that I just did. So if you wanted to see this type of attribution tracking, all these data, basically this pop-up, you need to click on this. Now, obviously I don't have all the data because it's not counted as Google traffic, because it actually has to come from Google for you to be able to view all these. So make sure, again, conversion tracking is installed, and if it's installed already and the attribution tracking is set up, you'll be able to see everything here. So just literally, let me just click on it again. So click on any of these icons, and then you'll be able to see this pop up. So that's how you do attribution tracking. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. And make sure you subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next one.